The Range Rover SVR, designed and engineered by Land Rover's Special Vehicle Operations. Here we have a 2020 model, and in late 2023 as we speak right now, this is still JLR's fastest and most capable performance SUV they've ever made. The SVR is big, bold and delivers statement. A big influence of that is its 5-litre V8 supercharged engine, which produces 575 brake horsepower and 700 Nm of torque, and it sounds fruity. And its beating heart sits under the super lightweight, colour-coded carbon fibre bonnet. Check out that weave. Our professional detailers have invested 60 hours of detailing preparation into this SVR. That involved perfecting its SVO ultra metallic velocity blue paintwork. That was a £4,600 option when purchased from new. It is without doubt that it looks absolutely first class and really helps exaggerate the SVR's muscular body. And moving inside, you immediately get a sense of luxury, more so than you would do with a standard Range Rover Sport. This SVR is specified in beautiful ebony and cirrus Windsor leather, with thick black suede cloth headlining. By opening the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, you can have your head in the sky whilst you sit in the driver-focused SVR Performance bucket seats. And a favourite feature of ours is the refrigerator that's built in the armrest. The SVR oozes character, sledgehammer performance and luxury all into one package, and now is your chance to own this impeccable 13,000 mile example, which is now ready for sale after completing our preparation process. So if you want to find out more information about this car, please head over to our website or give us a quick call.